Good evening, Bios Baptist Church. Today we are going to provide coverage for this anniversary. So today we had a shocking incident in the Bios Baptist Church sanctuary. The pulpit was on fire as Pastor Sinclair tried to finish his third anniversary sermon. So, what actually happened was a candle caught on fire and lit the cup holder on fire, and when the staff tried to put it out, everything went out except for the candle. What caused the fire to be so big was because there were multiple, seemingly 5 sparklers in the candle instead of only 1. So what happened during the initial incident was that Pastor Jones was in the pulpit preaching, and all of a sudden the fire grew very out of control. Now this fire was lit by a candle and a few sparklers during the initial candle lighting ceremony before the church sermon started.
What's in that candle?
Now, after we go to the sermon, he was preaching, and the candle, you could see it droop down and light the sparklers. Now the fire got very big because it was lighting the plastic, and this fire could have set the pulpit on fire and the flagpole and only God knows what else. So this was very dangerous. This was threatening because it was very close to the pulpit and the fire. So when the fire alarm was set off, we actually had to act very quickly. First Lady was paid. She was in the building at the time. The fire alarm button was pressed in the pulpit to set off the fire alarm. Or the fire alarm could have been set off. Either way, the smoke was certainly thick and black enough. So, First Lady came out with a bottle, thinking it was a bottle of water. Really, it was a bottle of bleach. So, what happened was, we used the main standpipe to spray water on the hose, on the fire. That's why we had to push the camera out of the way to get to the fire, so it wouldn't get all of our equipment wet. But here's the oddest part. Pastor Sinclair went back to preaching afterwards as if nothing had ever happened, to make, well, not exactly last minute changes, but on his ability to make decisions with limited amount of information. So, as a result of this type of emergent skills, we are really in for a good year. We didn't have the perfect, blessed, smooth running, clear skied, cleared ground anniversary that we are supposed to have, but we did have a one of recovery. We did have one where we know the church is going to be a safe place to be. We did have where we know the church is going to function as a hospital. We did have where everybody knows that nothing bad is really going to happen. It's going to start, but it's not going to go through. So nothing bad is going to finish, because It will start, but it's not going to finish because the staff and the equipment and the resources, although they may not always be here, but then we can always get them together under the Holy Ghost leadership through our staff and through our guidance here at BIOS. So pray for BIOS Baptist Church this year, because we are doing excellent, demonstrated by the courage in this fire. And pray that this same courage continues on throughout this year. Have a good day, and may God bless you.